Yes, I am present at vegetable market in Nosoroferoz city. Agriculturally rich Nosoroferoz district, farmers grow vegetables in abundance. Winter is also called the vegetable season. This is the reason why there are cheap fresh vegetable stall everywhere.
सरा टमाटरा लाल गजरा पीज मटरा आलू नवा भिंडिया खीरोआ वांगना खाओ बसरा मिर्चा गोबिया पालका.
These vegetables, which provide agricultural income to the local farmers on a daily basis, are sent for sale to the vegetable markets of the major cities of the country apart from local markets. This is the reason why, along with the farmers, the vegetables vendors are also getting benefits. Local farmers need to be more aware of modern agricultural awareness so that they can increase their productivity and strengthen the country's economy. Noman Channa, Noshor Feroz.